Good morning, everybody. It's late October. We're going to be fishing the drains for some largemouth bass. We had our first hard freeze, and I'm fishing with today. I'm fishing with Duke City Anglers.
What's up, guys?
And we're gonna show you how to catch early. It's considered early fall right now, so show you how to catch early fall bass. Today we're gonna be using a mixture of live bait, minnows, fathead minnows, and night crawlers, and we'll be using some lures today. And we're gonna try to even get on some big carp and some suckers. And it ought to be a pretty good day today. So stay tuned.
Baby, did you break the skunk? On a lipless? Yeah, that's a bite. There we go. That's a little crappie. A little bit bigger and you'd be tasty. Oh no? Look at that crappie. Or as most people call them that don't know how to fish, crappies. That crappie fish. That's funny because they call them a crappie fish, but they're actually one of the best eating fishes. It's too small to eat. Yeah, that would be a white crappie. All right, little crappie. We're gonna go ahead and put you in tingling. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, that's the last thing we need in tingling. More of, yeah, a little thing. And let's see if we can get us someone else, or maybe another crappie. There's a school of them here, pilot. Oh my God, that's a big one. Oh. Another bass, yeah, little bass. Golly, got a little bit of smoke. Bye bye, duckies. Come over here, Dave, right now. We need you right here. You know, he's going from the bucket. Okay. So here we go. Another crappie. Bigger, a little bit bigger, yeah. This one is the eating size. We're gonna go ahead and keep this one. Oh, we don't want these in the ditch. They eat the heck out of baby bass. He got it. He got it. Yeah, little one. Put that one in the bucket, bro. Spot. Does his jaw extend over the eye? You have to wait till it closes its mouth before you can. Right on, bro. Bring him back. Let's put on another day. We're just trying to see. The average bass today was under a pound. Look at that. Yeah. Here's the bass. See how there's no spots on him? Hey, bye, Bessie. Dave put all his back. Here's that crappie. Woo! He's a little spicy crappie. Really careful because crappie's got this thing on him. A little. Get the bass first. Pretty little bass. Ooh, that was a pretty little noise. Okay, crappie, I want to show you something. Crappie, good deal getting first. Okay, so crappie's gotta be real careful because you got this thing back here. It's spiky. Now there's a white crappie. Okay. Bye bye. You just seen. There goes a little crappie.
We did pretty good. Caught a carp, crappie, bass, and had a good day. The weather was amazing. It was like 65 degrees to 70 degrees. What do you think, Dave?
Good day.
Good day.
Always a good day.
Heck yeah. And back to the grind tomorrow to our jobs. But adios, everybody. We'll see you on the next video.